JP Morgan has shown to be the leader holding company of the United States and one of the most important companies in the world due to its remarkable moments throughout its history, the overall organization and efficiency, as well as the resilience during financial and economic crises. As we were doing the stress test, I could realize why JP Morgan has succeeded and the variables it involves, such as a strong corporate culture, a wide range of operations managed by laws, and an effective administration and governance. Moreover, leadership and innovation, for example in fintech, contribute to the ongoing growth of the company. With a new era of COVID 19 and the effects of the pandemic, we can infer that JP Morgan has had a satisfactory performance in further hands with Basel III Accords, even if its profits decline, given the fact that it has focused on maintaining exceptional credit quality and capital structure ratios. For instance, the credit quality ratios have important cushions, and the Tier 1, Tier 2 total capital ratio and CET1 have shown the highest levels during the last quarter reported in comparison to previous periods. As a result, the company is recovering as the amounts designated for reserves are less in contrast to previous periods.
JP Morgan is considered one of the largest banks in the US, if not the largest. A well-structured internal organization, the investment strategy, risk management, as well as the global teamwork has had a positive impact for the bank that has been helpful for them to mitigate and to adapt to the worst financial crisis they have gone through, such as the 2008 crisis and also the crisis that we're going currently through because of COVID-19. A phrase that I really like and I totally agree with it is that in any business model, the one that remains in the market is not the strongest, but the one that adapts faster to the needs of the market will remain. On the other hand, I found it extremely interesting to be able to enhance this type of stress test project during one of the strongest crises in history, a pandemic that affects and continues to affect the whole world due to the fact that we are seeing with our own eyes the different reasons and causes that lead to the economy to be affected.
After taking into consideration all the parts of this project, I can conclude that JP Morgan is a really strong bank that will of course survive the coronavirus crisis without too much repercussions. They have the highest Tier 1 capital ratio of all the banks in the United States, which keeps them really stable and prevent them from having liquidity risks or capital risks. And they also have a really good strategy which focuses on long-term profits and returns rather than in short-term. And of course, they have all the experience. They have survived many crises like the Great Depression or the 2008 crisis, which shows that they are a really capable bank and that their oversight team and their compliance teams are really good in calculating their ratios and performing their own stress tests. Also, the economy overall is expected to improve in the following years. According to the Fed, probably the GDP will grow 5% next year compared to the drop of minus 6.5% that we had this year, and unemployment is falling down. We reached a maximum height of 14.7% this year, and now it's in 6.9%. So that's really good news for the economy. And of course, if a vaccine is released to public, this will continue to improve. But overall, the bank is in a really solid position, and their net profits are still really good. Even though the ROA and ROE diminished this year, these ciphers will probably increase in the following years.
I always have seen JP Morgan as the bank. During the stress test, I read a lot of articles and researches about the company, which made me understand better all about the institution and what they offer to their customers. They have made serious investments in technology that are very important to the bank because if they want to be the leaders of the market, they need to offer the best products and services, as fintech, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and quantum computing is the future of the world and the financial system. The numbers of the bank show that during this year they have some trouble due to the COVID-19 crisis. The tiers were good, but their profit was reduced due to the recession, so the expected recovery will be slow. I learned a lot during this project because I got a better understanding of how the banking system works. It changed completely the way I saw banks and it is a very interesting field in which I would like to have experience. During the whole semester, I enjoyed this class because Ali gave us very concise but complete information that I know I will be using for the rest of my life. I really want to thank you for your support and your patience at every moment.